According to a Verizon study, 74% of corporate data breaches are due to human error. At the same time, every fifth incident is the work of an insider. As a result, companies suffer huge losses due to the actions of employees. According to IBM Security and the Ponemon Institute, the cost of a data breach reaches $4.35 million. To recover losses, companies raise prices but lose customers. Kickidler DLP helps to prevent such incidents and avoid financial and reputation losses. It is a solution that includes 3 sets of tools: data loss prevention, user and entity behavior analytics, and employee monitoring. Let's take a closer look at each of them. The DLP functionality of Kickidler software helps to prevent corporate data breaches and identify insiders. Some of its main tools include messenger and email monitoring. Kickidler DLP monitors text and voice messages, as well as files in all mainstream messengers. In addition, the software intercepts incoming and outgoing emails and email attachments. File monitoring. Kickidler DLP monitors file operations such as file copying, deletion, and transfer. You can also put hidden marks on important and confidential documents. These marks are used by the system to block files from being transferred to the internet or to removable media. Removable media access restriction. The software allows you to set a complete ban on the use of flash drives, cameras, smartphones, external hard drives, network adapters, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth by employees. You can also create a list of devices that are allowed to be used. Photo blocking. Kickidler DLP has a unique anti-photo feature built in. It analyzes employees' actions in front of the screen, and if they try to take a picture of the screen displaying sensitive information, it minimizes the window, locks the computer, and notifies the security department. Watermarks. Whenever a file is leaked, including when a print screen is created, the software watermarks the image. If the image ends up in the public domain, watermarks help to identify who leaked the confidential information and when it happened. The User and Entity Behavior Analytics set of tools in Kickidler DLP helps you investigate incidents and identify the employees involved. Its tools include Risk Analyzer. It examines employee activity and identifies potential risks to the company posed by the actions of each employee. The software calculates the risk level on a 10-point scale. Screenshots. Kickidler DLP takes screenshots of employee computers. If an incident occurs, you can use these screenshots to view the activity history of each employee and determine the details of what happened. Facial recognition. This unique feature allows you to identify each employee at a workstation. This way you can retrospectively determine who was at the computer at a particular time and what actions were performed. Keystroke dynamics. Kickidler DLP recognizes each employee by their typing patterns and identifies any deviations. This allows the software to recognize employees under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or in a state of stress and panic. Liaison graph. Based on the correspondence and calls, the software displays with whom the employee interacts within the company and outside of it. In case there is a data breach, the software helps to identify the parties involved. Another set of tools that helps to keep track of employees is employee monitoring. Not only does it keep track of working hours, but it also analyzes the activity and engagement of each employee. It helps to put a stop to late arrivals and working overtime, assess the work efficiency of each specialist, identify the leaders and underperformers, and perform personnel assessment. Let's take a closer look at these tools. Late arrivals and working overtime. Kickidler DLP logs the beginning and end of the workday. It displays who arrives late and leaves early, as well as those who work extra hours. Productive and unproductive activity. The software keeps track of working hours and analyzes what each specialist does. It creates a top 20 list of the most efficient employees, as well as a list of the top 20 specialists who are engaged in non-work-related activities. Workday map. This report shows in detail what each employee spends their time on during the workday. Are they focused on work tasks, idle time, or entertainments? Unique analytical reports help to conduct in-depth HR analytics, improve employee efficiency, and, as a result, improve the company's financial performance. And DLP functionality helps to identify insiders in advance and prevent breaches, protecting sensitive data. Kickidler DLP is what you can choose for your business today, so you can be confident in its safety tomorrow.